everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a savory watermelon salad. This is a refreshing recipe, so do give it a try. Let's go! I'll start by chopping my watermelon into semicircles. Now we have a log of watermelon. So I'll cut it in half. And I'll cut off the green and white part. Now I'll cut thin slices of it. Now I'll add a slight drizzle of olive oil and some rock salt. Oh, and not to forget black pepper. Remember to go easy on the oil and salt because we'll be adding it layer by layer on every layer. And I'll chop my cucumber. And now I'll let it rain. Now again, drizzle of oil and salt. Now it'll be raining beetroot. Now for some scrapes of coconuts. Last drizzle of oil and salt, you know the drill. I'll add some pepper. Now I'll add to its freshness by adding some basil and mint leaves, both homegrown. Some lemon rind, and I'll squeeze in the lemon. And finally, I'll top it up with some roasted sesame seeds to add to the crunch. Ta-da! Doesn't it look nice? Let's give it a try. This is so refreshing, delicious and healthy. Do give it a try. And the best part is all the ingredients are right there in your kitchen. Go make it right now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Wait, what are you still doing here? Go make it already.